At James Hardie, we believe in weaving integrity into every fiber of a home's exterior. Because a home is so much more than four walls and a roof. Our siding products help you build homes as they should be built, as capable of resisting the elements as they are of illuminating the senses. As the largest manufacturer of fiber cement siding and trim, our proven performance and broad product portfolio makes us the market leader. With a presence on more than 5.5 million homes in North America, we continue to empower our trade professionals to build with integrity. Our innovative manufacturing process and product design, combined with the finest raw materials and proprietary additives, create a substrate specifically engineered to resist damage from the harshest climates. We are the driving force behind fiber cement siding advancements. Continuous innovation also allows us to offer an unrivaled collection of textures, profiles, and widths to accurately capture any home design. Your work is an extension of your integrity, and we choose to stand with you. Through additional support programs like installation training, contractor growth programs, and our technical support desk, you get the resources your business needs. As the leading brand, we take pride in our work, and you should too. We do more than just build homes. We build character. James Hardie.